In today's video, we are going to cover how to trade Forex on eToro. Start from the main eToro interface and go to Discover. In that section, select Currencies to view the available Forex pairs. Once the list is open, choose the currency pair you want to trade and open it. This takes you to the pair where you can begin setting up the trade. Next, choose the direction for the position. If you expect the currency pair to rise in value, select Buy. If you expect it to fall, select Short. This choice determines whether you are opening a long position or a short position. So make sure the direction matches the move you expect from that pair. After that, enter the amount you want to trade. Type in the trade size you want to use for this position. At this stage, focus on the amount you want exposed to the market, since the size of the trade affects the overall position you are opening. Once the amount is set, choose the leverage level you want to apply. eToro will show the leverage options available for that currency pair. Select the level that fits the position you want to place. Leverage changes the exposure of the trade, so this is a setting worth reviewing before you move to the next part of the order. You can then set risk controls for the position. If needed, enter a stop loss to define where the trade should close if the market moves against you. You can also enter a take profit to define where the trade should close if the market moves in your favor. If you plan to use either of these, check the values carefully so they reflect the levels you want on this trade. Next, choose the order type. You can place a market order if you want the trade to open at the current market price, or select another available order type shown in the trade window. The order type controls how the position is entered, so use the option that matches how you want the trade to be opened. Before placing the order, review the details shown in the trade ticket. Look at the exposure and the opening cost so you know exactly what the position includes before it goes live. This final review helps confirm that the pair, direction, amount, leverage, risk controls, and order type all match what you intended to place. When everything looks correct, click Buy or Short to confirm the trade. Buy confirms a rising view on the currency pair, and Short confirms a falling view. Once you submit it, the order is sent using the settings you selected in the trade window. Your Forex trade on eToro is now placed with your chosen pair, direction, amount, leverage, risk controls, and order type.